Hello, you beautiful bunch. Welcome back to my channel. It is Karen. I hope you're all having an amazing week. We have 5 little tips here, another mood board inspired video. You need to go check out the March mood board on Nail Sugar. This is it. All the details will be on the Nail Sugar group. This one here was designed by Kala. So we are going to jump right in and do a cute spring set. Last time I did do St. Patrick's one, so this time we're going to be doing something a little bit more sort of cute and sort of like spring themed, if you will. I'm so excited to do this. I just love cute nails, and I haven't actually done shorties in a very long time. And these here would just make just the cutest little press-on nails. So I've gone in then with 3 nails are white, and then 2 of them that beautiful pale green, again, that I didn't get the name of. I'm so sorry. But I've done 2 coats of each, and then I'm just going in with a little bit on the 3 white nails, as you can see here, and then using a fine liner, I'm just going to kind of like curve them as if it is a little sort of mint green sort of smile line. As you can see. So that is what we have at the moment, now that it's all sort of cured. That's what we're working with. So we're going in with these Duckling cuties. Oh, how cute are they? I love them. And the pastel rainbows as well too. I really love these as well. They're just so cute and just so perfect for spring nails. So again, I'm cutting out what I need, leaving it 10 seconds after the water's been applied, and then just removing the backing and stamping it straight onto the nail. And it literally is as easy as that. So yeah, we're going in now with some matte top coat, but water decals just make it so much simpler and quicker, and the designs are just fab. So I love them. And then I'm going to go in then and do some hand painting. So I wanted to keep it simple and sort of like little spring flowers. And I used these 3 colours. That was some green gel paint that I was using. And then this is the 3 Madame Glam colours. I actually had the lavender springs on my own nails. Beautiful purple. I really like it. I really, really like that colour. And I'm just kind of doing like these like sort of little wildflowers, if you will. And just with the dotting tool, keeping it really simple, really cute. And then we're just going to add a little bit more greenery as well too with that gel paint. Okay, so on to the next design, and I've cut out some of the little ducklings, and I couldn't decide which one to. They're all just too cute, so I've put 2 different ones on each of the nails, and I just absolutely adore them. They're just the cutest little things. So I've added a little duckling and one of the rain clouds from the pastel rainbows, and it's just so cute. And in fact, this little cloud is blue, and on the alternative nail I have used a duckling holding a pink flower with a little pink rain cloud as well too, as you'll see here. Don't forget as well, whenever you apply your decal, to very, very gently just you can smooth any little sort of edges or uplifty bits down, but just be very careful. And you can either use a silicone tool, or you can run the risk and do what I do here and try and sort of do it with your own fingers. And if they're anything as big and clumsy as mine, you really are running a risk with that. So and then we're just going to top coat these, and just look how pretty they are. So cute. So the third nail in, the third design I wanted to do that would sort of bring the set together would be a little sort of tri-coloured smile line at the tip there. And this is really just to sort of pull in some of the brighter colours, and some of the brighter colours on the mood board as well too. So again, I just used the remnants of those 3 colours, the 3 gel polishes, and I've done this. I've actually made the nail matte because it's so much easier when you're hand painting on a matte nail, and it just sort of gives you time then too as well, just to sort of like perfect those little smile lines, and just sort of get the curvature right and stuff like that. So So yeah, so I sort of enjoyed doing this one. A little bit of freehand practice is always good for me because it is something that you guys know I say time and time again I struggle with. But yeah, I kind of enjoyed this one, and I thought the colours worked really, really well together, especially when top coated. As you'll see here, it just kind of pulls it all together. I was tempted to leave it matte, but I just really love the glossy. I love glossy top coat. I really do. I love it. So, ta-da, that is the finished set. That is our little spring kind of ducklings. I think they're so cute. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, guys, thanks for stopping by, and I will see you all next time. Have a wonderful week. God bless, and see you all again very soon. Bye.